Hi, thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked from our customers, which is what are the 5 most essential accessories that I need to cook on my spit? Now the first thing you're going to need is a way to light your charcoal. So one way is to use some fire lighters as well as a chimney. You also can use an electric charcoal starter wand to get your charcoal going. The next thing you're going to need is a pair of good quality gloves. Now take it from me, the fire gets incredibly hot, so does everything that's metal on your rotisserie, including the skewer. So always have a pair of gloves handy. You'd be surprised how easy it is to burn yourself. The next essential you'll need is a rake. Now unlike when cooking with gas, where you can moderate the temperature just by turning the gas knob up and down, with charcoal, you need to be able to move the charcoal around to help regulate your temperature. And a long-handled rake is the perfect accessory for that task. The other accessory you'll need is a basting brush. Now, as you're cooking, you need to help keep your meat nice and moist. I like to use a mixture of lemon juice and olive oil, and just by using a basting brush, you can dip that into a jar and slowly baste it as it turns. Now, the last accessory that you'll need, which is probably the most important one, is an instant read thermometer. Now, unlike when cooking in an oven, we've kind of got a rough idea how long it's going to take per 500 grams of meat. On a spit, there are so many variables like the outside temperature, whether your meat was at room temperature, and even the amount of charcoal that you've used or the wind outside. So what an instant read thermometer will do is you'll just simply pierce multiple places around the meat, and that will let you know what the internal temperature is. And then depending on what cut of meat you're using and how you like it, whether rare, medium or cremated, that will let you know whether your meat's ready to take off and slice. So there you have it. They're my 5 essential spit roasting accessories that everyone should have in their barbecue repertoire. So to keep on upping your barbecue game and stay connected, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.